City, from the Queen in the Arab country, Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Saputi, Malabo, Las Piñas, and Parañaque. From the north, Batanes, Sapari, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now, Southern Luzon, Camarines, Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, Ati-Ati, Islands Mall, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, bring down to Visayan Shore, Damos Officio, Coconut and Corn, Cebu, Mactan, Mandawi, Bukol sa Mantete, Iloilo, Kapisaklan, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Dumaguete. Now let's go to Dalano Province, Dalan of Mindanao, Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Papua, Butuan, Agusan, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Samis, and the three provinces of Davao, Davao, Sulu, Oriental, del Norte, Kuta, Batulanaw, Sulod, Tawi-Tawi. Pilipinas, saglit history. Manila is the capital city. All tourists are invited to see. According to our geography, Philippines, the beautiful